According to the U.S. Geological Survey USGS, here are the top 10 biggest earthquakes ever recorded. Ranked 10, 1906 Ecuador, Colombia, magnitude 8.8. Rank 9, 2010 Maule, Chile, magnitude 8.8. Rank 8, 1965 Rat Islands, Alaska, magnitude 8.7. Rank 7, 1950 Assam, Tibet, magnitude 8.6. Rank 6, 2005 Nias, Simeulue, Indonesia, magnitude 8.6. Rank 5, 1952 Kamchatka, Russia, magnitude 9.0. Rank 4, 2011 Tohoku, Japan, magnitude 9.1. Rank 3, 2004 Sumatra, Andaman, magnitude 9.1. Rank 2, 1964 Great Alaska Earthquake, magnitude 9.2. And ranked number 1, 1960 Valdivia, Chile, magnitude 9.5. The largest earthquake ever instrumentally recorded. Which earthquake surprised you the most? Follow for more world rankings.